it's my pleasure to welcome you all for the 9th annual day celebrations of Alphabet Techno School. Really, today I'm filled with pride and gratitude for all that has been accomplished for the past 9 years. Alphabet School is dedicated in providing overall education for the child, which helps them to grow both academically and personally also. Our school goal is to equip each and every child with skills. Over these past 9 years, there was a pious relationship among the teachers and the students, which left us many beautiful memories, lessons, and moments of joy. As a principal, I am privileged to witness the transformation of cute little minds to confident younger ones. I can see so many students are there here. But always I suggest my students to stay curious, be humble, and keep learning. And also carry the values that has been instilled in Alphabet Techno School. They know very well. Integrity, discipline, perseverance, and kindness. This world needs both dreamers as well as doers. I am confident and I believe that all my students will excel in their endeavors. As Swami Vivekananda said, awake, arise, and stop not until you reach your goal. Of course, this thought may help for all the children to become more stronger and go forward in their future. And absolutely, every parent should believe in their child. Yes, my son can do it. My daughter can achieve it. First of all the parents should believe in their children. Once you start believing, the child tries his level or her level best to keep the faith of the parents. To keep your faith, the child tries his or her level best. The only reason that you are believing them. And students, always, all of you believe in yourself so that you can achieve anything in your life. And second thing is self-confidence. Everyone should have self-confidence to express themselves. Self-confidence is not being perfect or being better than others. It is about knowing yourself, how far you can handle the challenges. That is self-confidence. For example, I'll give you an example. Suppose you are learning to ride a bicycle. The first day itself you ride perfectly? No. At first you might be having a feeling of scaredness, like you might fall down. But on practice, you will become perfect or not? You will become more better and better. Yes, similarly self-confidence works. As a teacher, as I'm having so many years of experience by studying their mentality, I came to understand over-pampering causes weakness. The child will expect the same thing from the outside people also. What parents are giving them in the name of love, the same thing they will expect from others also, which they won't get, and they will get down. They will get disappointed. Of course, parents' love is unconditional. I know. I'm also a mother, I also know. But the thing is, everything should have limits. Don't do over-pampering. This is my suggestion from my side to my parents. And one more thing is, students, all of you remember, choose what is right. Always what is right, rather than what is easy. Always choose what is right, rather than what is. And note that your actions defines you. Your actions defines you. Based on your actions, they'll define you, so and so person. So always our actions should be perfect. Time flies. Might be you have heard that. time flies. Time neither be controlled nor be stopped. Everyone knows this. So I request all my parents to spend their valuable time. Even too many parents also told about their spending of valuable time with their kids. So spend your valuable time with your kids and children. You also note, we have 24 hours in a day. Most of the time we will be spending in the school. After that, whatever the valuable time is there, you spend with your parents. After that, spend on some activities like dance, music, wherever, sports, drawing, painting, wherever you are interested, you can spend the time in those activities. Every child is unique here. Everyone is having their own special talents, their own special ideas. If you focus on that, you will be the number one. But studies should be on your top priority. Apart from spending time, apart from having the activities, what should be on your top priority? Studies. By studies only, you will come to know what are your rights in the nation and what are your duties towards your family, towards your society, as well as towards the nation. Every society needs educated people for the overall development. Finally, education should be there. Even if you see the sports persons, politicians, big industrialists, even movie actors are all well educated or not? Yes, after studies, after education only remaining. So, I wish you all the best for your bright future and makes us proud. I'm confident in that. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.